Have you ever wondered how some people turn their laptops into money-making machines while you're stuck figuring out how to pay your next bill? What if I told you there's a way to earn money online, even while you sleep? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, where the right strategies can unlock a steady stream of income. In this video, I'll show you how to build your affiliate business from scratch and set it on the path to long-term success. And don't just take my word for it, this industry generates over $12 billion a year globally. Now, let's dive in. Making money online often feels like navigating a maze of scams and dead ends. You've probably heard of people who tried affiliate marketing only to give up after months of effort with nothing to show for it. It's frustrating, especially when you see others cashing in big. What's the secret? The truth is, most people fail because they lack a clear strategy. They jump in without understanding how to pick the right products, build trust, or drive traffic. Today, I'll break it all down so you can avoid their mistakes and start seeing real results. What is affiliate marketing and why is it a game changer? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products. It's simple. You find a product, share it with an audience, and get paid every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link. Why is it a game changer? Because it eliminates the need to create your own product, manage inventory, or handle customer service. Imagine having the potential to earn from products you believe in without the overhead of running a traditional business. For example, let's say you love fitness and find a high-quality protein powder through an affiliate program. By sharing honest reviews or workout tips featuring this product, you can earn a percentage of every sale made through your link. Start by joining reputable networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank to find products you're passionate about. To get started today, pick one product or service you already use and research if they have an affiliate program. By promoting something you genuinely love, you'll be building trust with your audience, which leads to more conversions over time. The mindset shift. Understanding affiliate marketing as a business. Treating affiliate marketing like a casual hobby is the fastest way to fail. This is a business, and it requires planning, effort, and patience. Successful affiliates think long-term. They focus on building relationships, tracking performance, and continually learning. Start by setting clear goals. How much do you want to earn in 6 months? What steps will you take daily to get there? Consistency is key. For instance, if you're promoting products through social media, post consistently and engage with your followers. Test different strategies and be willing to adapt. It's also crucial to reinvest part of your earnings into tools like email marketing software or paid ads to scale your efforts. Remember, every great business started small, but what separates winners is their commitment to growth. How to choose a niche that will make you money. The foundation of affiliate marketing success lies in picking the right niche. A niche is a specific segment of the market that aligns with your interests and expertise. The best niches are profitable, have consistent demand, and aren't overly competitive. Ask yourself, what topics am I passionate about? What problems can I help people solve? Let's say you're interested in personal finance. A great niche might be teaching young professionals how to save money or invest in the stock market. Within this niche, you can promote budgeting tools, financial books, or investment platforms. Do some research using tools like Google Trends or Ubersuggest to identify trends and audience pain points. Start small. Focus on creating high-quality content for one specific audience. Over time, as your expertise grows, you can expand into related niches and diversify your income streams. Finding the right affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some offer generous commissions and great support, while others are poorly managed. Look for programs with high-quality products, reasonable commission rates, 20% or higher is ideal, and a good reputation. Popular networks like ShareASale and CJ Affiliate are great places to start. For example, if you're in the tech niche, promoting software through platforms like PartnerStack can yield high commissions. Pay attention to cookie duration, which determines how long after clicking your link a purchase counts as your referral. A program with a 30-day cookie duration is better than one with only 24 hours. Once you find a program that fits your niche, sign up and study their promotional resources. Many programs provide banners, email templates, and training to help you succeed. Use these tools to your advantage. Creating content that converts. The secret sauce. Content is the backbone of affiliate marketing. Your goal is to educate, entertain, and inspire your audience while subtly introducing affiliate products. High-performing content includes blog posts, YouTube videos, and social media posts. For example, a detailed how-to video on YouTube can drive significant traffic to your affiliate link. Here's a practical approach. Create a listicle like Top 5 Tools Every Entrepreneur Needs and include affiliate links to each product. Be transparent by letting your audience know you earn a commission. Authenticity builds trust, and trust leads to sales. Remember to focus on value. Instead of hard selling, demonstrate how the product solves a specific problem, driving traffic to your affiliate links. Even the best content won't convert without traffic. There are two main ways to drive traffic: organic and paid. Organic traffic includes SEO-optimized blogs, YouTube videos, and social media posts. For instance, if you're promoting a fitness product, create TikTok videos showing quick workout tips that feature the product. Paid traffic, such as Facebook ads or Google ads, can accelerate your results. Let's say you're promoting an online course. You could create a Facebook ad targeting people interested in personal development. Test different headlines and images to see what works best. Always track your results to maximize ROI. The power of building an email list. Your email list is your most valuable asset. Unlike social media, where algorithms control visibility, your email list gives you direct access to your audience. Start by offering a free resource, like an ebook or checklist, in exchange for email signups. Then, nurture your subscribers with helpful content and occasional affiliate recommendations. For example, if you're in the travel niche, offer a free packing checklist. Once they're on your list, send emails about travel tips and include affiliate links to products like luggage or travel insurance. Email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit make it easy to manage and automate your campaigns. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's one of the most rewarding ways to earn online when done right. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to financial independence. The only way to fail is to quit. Start small, stay consistent, and always be willing to learn. The effort you put in today will pay dividends tomorrow. As the saying goes, don't wait for opportunity. Create it. Your journey to affiliate success starts with taking action now. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing which strategy you'll try first. And don't stop here, there's so much more to learn. Check out the description or the first pinned comment for links and recommendations. Since you stayed until the end, YouTube has picked the perfect video for you to watch next. It's on screen now. Click it and keep your journey to financial freedom going.